PDA Parts presents the Palm Tungsten T5 Take-Apart Directions. Warning: the following directions will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk. After turning the unit over, you'll remove 4 torque screws located on the back. Once you remove the 4 screws, the back cover will come off. There are tabs holding it in place. Be careful when removing the back cover from the motherboard, as the battery connector is still connected to the motherboard. You will now disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. There is a ribbon cable that holds the screen to the motherboard. Lift the left side of the ribbon cable up and remove it from the motherboard. There is a plastic bezel located at the top of the unit that can be removed. It is not held in place. Occasionally, the on-off button will need to be removed separately. You will now be able to remove the motherboard. At this point, you will now be able to remove the screen from the plastic front bezel. Please be sure to visit us on the web at www.pdaparts.com.